actually had a tooth that broke off at a Christmas party. It was very embarrassing because I have a beautiful smile. My parents paid a lot of money for my braces, and when I smiled, you could still see the gap where the tooth broke off. So I decided to look into getting an implant. It was embarrassing to have a tooth missing, so function-wise, it was painful as well. I do have a big smile, and that tooth was affecting that smile because there was a gap in my mouth. So the process started with a consultation and discussion of what my options were for that tooth, and then proceed with the actual implant process. The doctor was able to show me an actual model of the implant and how the actual crown, was placed, and that gave me a better understanding of what I was going to be going through. I was shown my x-rays as well as the process of how we were going to move and proceed with my actual implant, and that helped me a lot feel a little more comfortable with the procedure, just because I actually got to see a visual instead of just hearing what I was going to be going through. I actually got to visualize that, and being a visual person, that really helped me. Just want to thank Dr. Charles for restoring my smile and making myself be able to feel confident again with my smile, and I really want to thank him and appreciate him for that.